Today, we will be taking a quick look at this Vaisala WXT530 weather transmitter. If you want best of the best, then this is it. And the price is no joke. The one we got is about $4,500. Like I said, best of the best. Here are some key features as listed on the website. When you open the box, this is what you would get. There's the test reports, calibration certificates, a very simple instruction on how to get started, warnings, don't touch these 3 black rods, a mount adapter, definitely don't lose this USB with the software and serial number, bushings and grounding kits, a long cable, about 30 feet. This cable plugs into the unit down at the bottom, and there's about, 8 wires coming out of it. Additionally, there is a smaller connector. The other end is USB-A connection to plug into your computer for configuration. This cord is about 4 feet long. The unit itself is not too big. It is relatively compact compared to other stuff on the market. For size comparison, here's a Samsung S26 Ultra to let you know how big this Vaisala unit is. We will mount the unit on a pole outside, so it doesn't really matter how big it is. On the top, there are these spikes to deter birds, I believe. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend to others like yourself. Let's plug the short USB cord into this port and the other end into a laptop to see what's going on. Before connecting the unit to your laptop though, we need to install the driver. Insert the included USB flash drive into your laptop or desktop to see this folder open up. Double-click on the folder, double-click on the driver, install the driver, right-click, run as an administrator. After installation is done, it's going to assign a COM port on the laptop for your Vaisala unit. On this laptop, it's assigned as port number 8. After this setup is done, it's going to open up a window asking you to plug the Vaisala unit in, and that's the time to plug in your Vaisala unit. Most likely, it's going to assign some funky port number like COM port 8. Next, install this software. The software is going to ask you for a serial number. You can find the serial number printed on the back of the USB flash drive. I think it's best that you type the serial number and save it somewhere. Now that we've successfully installed the configuration tool, let's open the Vaisala configuration tool. There's no need to do anything. It should auto-connect to your COM port 8, assuming your Vaisala unit is plugged into the USB port. I am inside the office and it is super cold at 66.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Since we are indoor, some of the numbers are not filled in yet. By default, this is Celsius, by the way. You can certainly change that in the settings. Go down to sensors, and here are all the settings that you can tweak. Let me go through all of the menu settings for you. You've got the file connection setup. Let's go to connection setup for fun. We're using the USB ports and it was assigned the COM port number 8. Click on cancel. You can see some of these measurements from the instrument itself, the settings, and then the help. This is the configuration tool and it's meant to let you know that the unit is working properly. Adjust all the settings as needed. To actually collect the data, we don't use the laptop. We actually connect to a data logger. There are 2 companies that I'm aware of. There's the Invidas and the one from Agilere. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.